Hey guys, if you have NVIDIA graphics card installed, you might get that nasty bug with horizontal lines tearing your screen while playing a video file or a 3D game. Let me show you what I mean. Let's open some video. How about one of my favorite Tears of Steel? I'll put that on pause. Now, do you see this line? That's what I'm talking about. The video file itself is perfectly fine, no artifacts in there. The lines appear only while the data is being passed from the graphics card to the monitor. The line itself is actually just a border between the previous frame and the next frame. Let's fix that. First, we need to open NVIDIA xserver settings. You can find the item in the settings or system menu. If you don't have it installed, you can watch my video on how to install NVIDIA drivers. I'll put the link in the description below. Okay, back to the settings. Go to xserver display configuration. Make sure you have your display, resolution, and the refresh rate selected. Then go to xserver xvideo settings and choose your monitor from the list. Then we need to go back to the xserver display configuration and press Save to X configuration file button. It's okay if we get an error message, we just need to save that file somewhere, let's say on the desktop with the name xorg.conf. Now we can quit NVIDIA settings. The next step will be in the terminal. First, we need to find out the name of the connection to your monitor. To do that, run this command. All the commands that I mentioned in this video you can find in the description. We are interested in two things here. Number one is the connection interface and its number. Let's copy that and paste it to the text editor. Second, resolution and refresh rate. We should copy that too. Now let's build the command that will stop the screen tearing bug. Here is the template. We need to replace the words connection, resolution, and rate with our data. Okay, we're ready to hit it. All we need to do is copy that command to the terminal and execute it. The bug should be gone. You don't even need to reboot your computer. Open the most problematic video that caused the bug before and check if everything is working. If everything looks great, then let's create a permanent system setting so that we don't need to execute that command every time we reboot the computer. Let's open the file that we created earlier from NVIDIA settings. We need to add some additional information there. Let's find the section named Device and add these lines in there. Then in the section screen, try to find the option named MetaModes. If it's not there, we need to add it. If it's there, just change the parameter to the line that we created earlier. Don't forget about the quotation marks. Save the file. Then we need to copy that file to the xorg default directory. To do that, we should run this command. Replace the source path to the saved file with yours. You'll need administrative rights for that. Use sudo or su command. After that, we need to reboot the computer. Also, if you play 3D video games that change screen resolution when going to the full screen mode, it's possible that our new settings will be reset. To fix that, we can run in the terminal the command that we built earlier. I hope this tutorial will really improve the quality of your video in Debian. This method should also work in Ubuntu and Linux Mint. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.